Just a quick little vlog for people or just beginners. My regular viewers know the answer to this. Now, I've seen courses that pop up where they say, learn to convert HTML to HTML5. That's kind of weird to me, because HTML5 is just the latest version of HTML. And if you're properly trained in the basic concepts of HTML, that markup language, taking your HTML5 foresight, I guess it would be, and bringing it to HTML5 shouldn't be a big deal. Now, some new tags you have to learn. Some new structural tags have been put into place to like footer and header and so forth, and the main. If you do any modern HTML course, they'll teach you these things. But there's not a huge need to convert things. Now, if you're going from XHTML and you want to go to HTML5, there's a little bit more to it than that, because XHTML is actually XML, it's not HTML. It's XML, which is another type of markup language, and it's XHTML is this XML made to kind of work like HTML, but that is now extinct. You don't want to use that at all, and that you might have to do some minor conversions, but it's really pretty trivial. It's really pretty trivial. Just change your doc type, and maybe that's pretty much it. Change your doc type. If you want to get really religious about it, you can replace some divs with some of the new tags in HTML5, but that's, beyond that, it's not imperative. In fact, all the new browsers will be able to read old code. That's the great thing about the web browsers. They are pretty forgiving, especially if you just have well-formed code. If any of this doesn't make any sense, you need to do a good beginner's web design course that teaches you proper HTML5 and the other supporting languages. All right, I hope that helps.